Alright, my people, welcome back. So this morning we're there. Yesterday. Couldn't go on video yesterday. Pure nice. Nice. All type of nice in that one. So, let me not do all type of putting in my building and thing. Jackhammer, so. You know, a knife's terrible. Yeah, so. We're going there now. We'll put on some baseboard. And we'll try to finish up. So this already tiled out. Now walk that side, Bruno. Oh, alright, I think I'll go outside. So we already tiled out this here. So this is our garage. Yeah, so we are dropping in the front here now. Yeah, so all of the front piece I'm going to drop in and now come back with the papers. So, just drop in that one, yeah? That's the first thing. I can shoot one on my phone. There's some people who have to do one thing on it. They never do yeah, so this a piece I just drop in. Just put in the set of brick them against it. So I'm going to go there and drop in the side there. So I have the pavers them here, so same way. Yeah. I have my tin set there, so I'm going to drop in this, go down the line. Yeah, so just them couple pieces I have to drop in now. I should have some baseboard. So mostly on the side I'm going to drop in some baseboard. So this is where the baseboard is right through. You know. Maybe see what happened maybe first time in turbine how kind of baseboard in it? Tyler? Yeah, but still I was like commercial in January. I will decide how money I will do it. Yes, so do we have a cutout? So I'm not cut out yesterday, so yeah, pure nice. Yeah. So tile out. Wash down some baseboard. I want to catch a mouse. Alright, my people, so we're dropping them Tyler. Yeah, like I said, drop in now. So this is the last part of me that drop in. Yeah. So all of them are dropping now. So we're going to line up ourselves with some grouting. Yeah. So as you can see, everything good there now. Block off here so for people up on the side, people and walk. All type of things are going same way. So once we get them place clean up, you know where we go. Once they dry, we have to keep them up, clean up. We have to try to do some grouting when we're done. Yeah, so obviously a baseboard. I'll get some baseboard and We have a piece if you cut me riser piece there, so you don't cut it. You cut the riser piece there, so. Alright, my people, so I really go on, the tile I should run right through. The tile run out, so we have to stop it as well. So if you notice, we're going in here, is a design. So the tile will run straight across as well. 48 by 40. So we used to make a design. So it runs straight across, then it runs at the center of the garage. So all of them tile line at the center of 48 by 48. Them one 36 by 36. If you notice, across the front now. Yeah, across the front now, as the 48 by 48 then runs straight across. It's like a border. When it clean up, you will see it better. Yeah, so the 48 runs straight across the front. So that's how the design of them work with. So right in here, so now have some 36 by 36. Yeah. Alright, my people, so we are going to do some grouting. Yeah. As you can see. I'm going to go and put some grout on the floor. So this is how we are going right now. Let me see it. So this is where I put on some baseboard by the meanwhile. Kita sudah ulang. Some kind of fun idea. Yeah, so just a drop on them baseboard and thing, you know. Some growth in a go on same time as I said that I'm going to go on growth. You're basically good enough, child. I say you're basically good enough, you can't help another. People say right now, garage done, growth up. Yeah. So as you can see, baseboard. Yeah, so done and growth up everything. Yes, my peeps, so this is how it will look like, and everything clean up. You know. Baseboard nice and sweet. So this is how the front work out. Yeah, right down. You know, so the baseboard they couldn't put on
piece.
I just on the inside.
We can run by this.
Yeah, man.
Watch it, Tala.
Are you holding your not tilting?
Watch it, Tala. Yes, as I said, this is how we have to work out. The rod was shut down from one side. Yeah, so. See me right there, so.
No, I didn't know. Maybe if I'm hiding. No.
Yeah, so as I said, we grow it up and clean up. Place look nice and sweet. Baseboard right through. We know if that's them baseboard there, here. Yeah, piece. So that's why we tape them up and put them. So that means yeah, do have to put up before that beat them they can't go in. But this now look like you can't turn at all. You just have to put it on the inside. It's not some people who don't have to grow it up. You know, place look sweet and nice.
Yeah. Alright. Lock up. Almost money you got.
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm going to use this sponge down there so you don't try.
Yeah, I use it.
Yeah, down there so I wipe off. You can't take out me glue and sit in them still. Get out of it, get out. You cut off, it come out. So alright my people, so this is it, you know. As I say, everything done and grown up. Yeah. Garage sweet and nice. The blue? Yeah. Looking good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you can come in, man. With a little green bag. I want green grass.